Grok, an AI assistant from XAI, is now integrated into Tesla vehicles, including the Model Y. This integration is available in 2024 and later models with version 13.0 or higher software. It offers voice-activated interactions, allowing you to communicate naturally with your vehicle. Grok provides conversational chat and personalized in-car assistance to make your driving experience better. If you have full self-driving, you have access to Grok without any additional subscription. To activate Grok in your Tesla Model Y, simply say, "Hey Grok." The system uses Tesla's built-in microphones to capture your voice commands. You can then use natural language prompts like, "What's the weather like?" or "Play jazz music." Grok processes your requests via cloud or edge computing, providing quick and relevant responses. Make sure you have a stable internet connection for the best experience. Grok enables multi-turn conversations through the touchscreen or voice commands, allowing for natural, ongoing dialogues while you drive. You can ask follow-up questions, plan routes with Grok's assistance, and even test its trivia knowledge for entertainment during your journey. Grok remembers the context within each session, making interactions feel fluid and natural without having to repeat information. Use Grok to manage your navigation needs, control entertainment, and access general information, all while keeping your hands on the wheel and eyes on the road. Grok proactively provides helpful suggestions tailored to your driving experience. It can alert you to low tire pressure with a suggestion to schedule service. Grok also suggests music playlists for your drive. Additionally, it integrates with Tesla's FSD system to provide real-time alerts, such as traffic rerouting suggestions. While Grok is a powerful AI assistant in your Tesla Model Y, it's important to understand its limitations to ensure safe and responsible use. For safety reasons, Grok cannot directly control any vehicle functions. This means it cannot steer, accelerate, brake, or make any changes to the car's operation, preventing any potential safety risks. Grok's responses are carefully filtered to avoid providing unsafe advice. For example, it will never suggest activities that could distract you while driving, such as texting or other risky behaviors. Although Grok significantly enhances your driving experience with helpful information and entertainment, it's crucial to remember that it's only an assistant. It cannot replace your attention and judgment as the driver. Tesla prioritizes safety and user-friendliness in all AI interactions, ensuring that Grok's capabilities align with responsible driving practices and regulatory requirements. Grok's multimodal capabilities in the Tesla Model Y go beyond voice and text interactions. By integrating real-time camera feeds, Grok can process visual information to enhance your driving experience. For example, you can ask Grok to identify road signs or nearby objects. The system analyzes live video data, detects events, and provides AI-driven insights directly on your dashboard. This feature integrates seamlessly with Tesla's autopilot, using the vehicle's cameras and processing units like the IQ4 chip for accurate, real-time analysis. Overall, these multimodal capabilities provide a more comprehensive understanding of your surroundings, improving safety and the AI-assisted driving experience. For instance, Grok can alert you to potential hazards or confirm navigation details visually. In areas with poor internet connectivity, Grok offers limited functionality through its offline mode. This mode uses cached data and on-device processing to reduce latency. You can still access basic information and perform some functions even without a stable internet connection, ensuring a degree of assistance is always available. The integration of Grok reflects the growing trend of AI vehicle convergence. By 2026, 70% of new electric vehicles incorporate AI assistance, with Grok leading in Tesla's ecosystem. This trend emphasizes multimodal AI for immersive experiences. Grok adapts to user preferences over time, learning from driving habits via machine learning models. It personalizes recommendations like favorite routes or music genres based on your behavior. Future integrations may include advanced features like predictive maintenance, which monitors vehicle health and suggests service before issues arise. Augmented reality overlays could enhance navigation with real-time visual cues on the windshield. Current statistics show strong adoption, with 60% of Tesla Model Y owners using Grok weekly and achieving a 4.2 out of 5 user satisfaction rating. Stay tuned for more updates as Grok continues to evolve and enhance the Tesla driving experience.